sá lọ kiri.
Ọlọ́run nígbà tó ṣe investigation wáyé kí tó lówó university ìbò fake kí ló ń sọ yìí tó bá wà ní Yankee they go tell you God's do wetin God bless America tó bá wà ní London please liberate kí ló máa sọ Naija you wetin dey Naija I'm nothing dey Naija my brother in dey waste time in country yìí mi anyways tí mo ṣe gan mo fagídí ṣe ni.
Ọ̀dẹ́n àwọn èèyàn mèkẹ́ Nàìjíríà náà àwọn èèyàn ń ṣe oríire Nàìjíríà wọ́n bí happy wo mo lè faith how everybody wants to be in America it's an opportunity man it's not a matter of drug or die okay tí máa dẹ̀ lọ sí America kan gbogbo lọ ọ́zù kí wọ́n lọ máa fọṣọ fún àwọn èèyàn kan kí wọ́n lọ máa fọ òkú àbí kí máa park snow wo. I'm going to America to flex. I make a woman there, you know, legal way.
Okay.
It's good. Yeah.
It's good. But maybe no.
My papers.
Maybe no. What's my agency? Maybe in the next 7 years, you are watching my application letter. Me, she pay for my one. Yaki mama say we say shama.
Má worry now. But wọ́n ti pé tó bá tábà máa wo gbogbo ilé àti gbogbo ilé. Everybody might go away on Junior. Grandpa ni ìwé ní òjẹ́ kó tí ì ríṣẹ́.
Hey girls, ṣé rí gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí kò lè dùn mọ́ yín nítorí pé ẹ wo bẹ̀rẹ̀ débi tá à ń sọ yìí. Let me tell you something. Sórí àwọn ayé tá a máa ń jẹ ayé foreign ni from UK to Canada to Manchester as in àwọn gbogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn rẹ̀ ṣe pa bí a ti ń ṣe ré in fact let me tell you something. Àwọn P-Square Fino nǹkan Fino tẹ́ pé wọ́n yà boss abeg I hail.
Irọ́ o Fino. Fino na big boy for Naija now.
Àwọn ń sọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹ bọ́ má wọ̀rí ó máa ṣojú ẹ̀ jẹ́ ká ìrùbí dé
farabalẹ̀. Wetin you bring come Naija now?
You guys to calm down. Ẹ wo ẹrù mi wà lórí omi tó pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ ó dà bó ṣe wà ẹ̀. I wan tell you something. Chain and bata you want, chain, gold, ago, bata, lot of things to pay fat, Range Rover Sports, tó wà nínú iṣẹ́ yẹn ó sì tó bí méjì 2 or 3 Range Rover Sports and something more there. Tó pé mo hot, mo bínú gan. You don't know which I tell you, ni no be say play but make the load come. Na there you go know the thing I dey talk.
You know wetin I want? I no want much from you. I only one thing I want to make you do for me. I need car.
Babe, jẹ́ tán, jẹ́ sínú ọkàn, àwọn kí mi lè fún ẹ lófo. Sórí car tó ló fẹ́ yẹn, mo lè ṣe fún ẹ bọ̀ wá ní sùúrù because girlfriend mi kan wà tẹ́pá jọ wà no travel out ń gbà yẹn. So but due to 1 or 2 things, girl ṣe bákan tí ẹ̀ mo kàn fílẹ̀ mọ́ ya. But mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé now Bobo don back with heavy load.
Now you buy car again.
Àwọn kan dasha pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí fi gbà lẹ́nu pé kó mọ̀ pé
Yeah, I don't want car. I just want a house.
Wow.
That there's car in the house and in the boot let there be money. That is just that small thing.
Babe, down na small thing, man.
I
You got to calm down.
I trust you.
Calm down. But all this man dey talk. Something dey my mind say the boy through my mind.
Wetin happen?
I need some little change, talking a month to clear all this my load with the come. Me I dey okay, you know, as I do, I don't like am.
What of your pounds now?
Babe, don't you know that I can't use those pounds to clear all those roads? But if I use them and clear them, they go think I be one kind big billionaire. They cast me, she no feel me. So that's why I need talking a month to clear my load. I just do okay.
How much are we talking about here?
Just talking amount like 250,000.
250.
250,000.
Nigerian money 250,000.
Oh, yeah, but there to
It's too much.
Now you change.
250,000 it's not the money, it's the talking change. Oh, that been ordinary street great, that been fun in UK, man.
And the truth of the matter is, my daddy gave me 150,000. But I've spent 30,000 out of it. So it's remaining 120. Maybe I can give you that one.
20,000 naira, 120. How well? It's okay, I'll manage it.
But if I give you this 120, you won't pay me back. It's 120.
No, calm down, baby. You can't do that. Let let me tell you something. I will surprise you. Yeah. In fact, I'm gonna pay you with 500k good cash.
Are you serious? Wow, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very
So,
much.
how much are you going to give me?
Calm down now. We are together.
Alright.
I'm gonna flex you people, guys. You guys are gonna flex you out.
I trust you now.
Tokumba.
You are more than this now.
Yes. So let me have that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me go and bring my ATM card.
Yeah.
Come here.
So, gbogbo ní ètò ìsọ yìí, ó dùn. Ṣoré mi jẹ́ ìwà lé fún ẹ. Òun ti lọ mú wá. Kí ló wá fẹ́ jẹ báyìí? Òkun ńlá ṣáà máa fi gbé títà. Ọbẹ̀ wà nílé.
So you know no more so because in fact stomach me so I almost broke in my brush to buy and we be hug me on bomi go.
I'm
So
sorry.
I need something to eat.
Like what? Mo lọ bẹ̀ sí lẹ́yìn ní bẹ́sì.
Babe, well, you can read Basi. So eba ẹ máa wà okay.
Ẹ̀bà, mo dé tán sí.
All right. Why don't you put me in there? Tokumba the door. Ọmọ ilé ọmọ bìrì mo èkó gan ọ̀pọ̀ ní UK yẹn tí mo gbá wọn mọ́ra wọn ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ̀ gbà ẹ̀yìn kẹ̀ kò sí ọ̀kan fún yín ẹ máa sanwó mi I swear down ẹ máa san Ọlọ́run ó ti jẹ lọ.
Agbolewa, agbolewa, oh, agbolewa, agbolewa.
Of course.
Tí máa advice tí èmi máa fún ẹ ní candid advice ló bá sọ fún mi pé kò settle down sí Nigeria. You can still make it in Nigeria. You can still invest your interest in legal business in Nigeria and make your money. You don't have to now. Last time today now to sọ fún wa fún ẹdọtẹnu ara ẹ sọ pé o lè without going into wrong deals, without going into drugs, into credit card or illegal deals, you can't make it over there. Why must you slave yourself away? Why must you slave your ability, your talent, your intellect out there?
No. Kì í ṣẹ́jú ẹ̀. No, me blame Ọlọ́run. Seriously speaking, me blame Ọlọ́run. Gbà tó jáde gbogbo yín lọ gbogbo. Mo nǹkan táwọn sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ owó. No, kí tó ṣe náírà o, I mean dollars. Owó tẹ́kọ̀ tó bá lọ rán sílẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀mẹ́jì kan lọ́wọ́ kéde kan gbé ké mọ́ra àti kíkọ́ súnmọ́ ẹ lásán. Wọ́n kò gbàgbé. Nǹkan tó yẹ kó dùn mí fún ẹ nìyẹn. Ṣé ló bí mi ṣe ń tẹ bọ́tì tí mo fẹ́ padà sọ́ṣọ́ lọ orí mi tèmi ò gbé ni. Ohun nǹkan bá ti wà lẹ́jẹ̀ èèyàn fún ìwà yìí. Àwọn ọ̀gbẹ́ bí àkọ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ló ti ń gbá lórí mi gan tó gbé àwọn ọmọ mi lágbàtà kí ló ṣí ẹ́ járe bọ̀bọ̀ ọmọ ọgbọ̀n owó ìwà ẹ̀gán ẹ̀kọ́ jọ ìmì ní tẹ́gbẹ́ mọ̀ ẹ̀yìn tẹ́gbẹ́ tó ń sáà tẹ́gbẹ́ ó máa kọ́ lórí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹ̀ká tó máa bísí ọ̀gá jẹ́ ìsọ̀kọ̀ fún mi bísí ìsọ̀lẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe Nàìjíríà Nigeria, maybe. No.
Orientation I have physical. And that would maybe something like this. Fine, but look at what to say. I'm a youth corps. When you also allow it from federal government, allow it from state government, continue to what might be say my invest your maybe dream that's a big cast in the head, okay? But already láti ṣe legal business, already láti gbé ọpọlọ sílẹ̀ láti think to develop something good that will benefit humanity, then you can contact me. Have you seen Charles today?
Chief Orochasinel, Chris. Money go jare.
In fact, Tolu ó ṣe mí gan, ó ṣe ẹlẹ́dàá mi. You are too staging. Kò sí ìgbà tí mo bá béèrè nǹkan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé mo ní ìdówó tó máa ń fún mi. How much is 10,000 naira? Chicken change. 10k pé kí n kàn fi ra bag. Èyí tí bá béèrè nǹkan ìgbà yẹn ló máa sọ storyteller. Ó wá sí ìgbà ó kẹ́sẹ̀ tẹ̀léra wọn wá sí ìgbà wá ń bẹ̀ mí. Èmi Debbie. Ṣé ìgbà tó rí mi ọ̀rọ̀wọ̀ ìyá lára mi ni?
Debbie má bínú, ṣorí bílù ìṣeré ni. Ṣé tí wàá ń bínú nìyẹn ni?
Mo ti bínú fi mí lẹ̀.
Ní sùúrù náà, ṣé bílù ìṣeré ni? Ó mọ̀ pé mi kò kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. And besides, ó mọ̀ àsìkò recession la wà. Ó mọ̀ èmi gan fúnra mi gan mò ń ṣọ́wó náà ni. Tí n bá lọ sọ́jà tí n fẹ́ ra nǹkan fúnra mi gan, ó mọ̀ mo gbọ́dọ̀ ní láti ra nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé kò ní pa mí lára ni. Ó ti yẹ ní sùúrù, just bear with me. Ó ti yẹ fúgbà díẹ̀ náà mo ń ṣe títí lọ. Ó ti yẹ ó ní láti gbà mí bí mo ṣe rí for now. Ó ti yẹ so by the time gbogbo nǹkan ṣe máa change. Ṣọ́rọ̀ mi ti yẹ má bínú ṣe ti gbọ́.
Àsìkò recession ọ̀dọ̀ ẹnìkan ni recession wà àbí? Èló ni 10k recession kọ́ recession ni. Wo èmi ò sí pé kéèyàn máa sọ pé àsìkò recession o. As for me o, èmi Debbie fún ara mi. Another Debbie in this company is a counterfeit. Sórí Ọlárewájú lèmi wà o. Èmi ò sí ní Sùúrùlérè o. Ọlọ́run ṣògo lèmi bá dúró ṣó ti gbọ́. Ọkùnrin tó bá ti ṣe tán tó náwó lọ́wọ́ tó lè tèkè èmi Debbie lèmi máa tẹ̀lé.
Àwa ní sùúrù bí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe rí ni ó ti yẹ by the time gbogbo ẹ máa change ṣọ́rọ̀ mi ti yẹ má bínú máa dé.
Change indeed.
Jọ̀ọ́ náà aṣọ tó ń bínú nìyẹn.
Ẹni tó bá ti mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ kí n gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ fún ẹ.
má wọrí
òun dà.
ẹ máa wà iná dà.
owó òun náà dà.
ní sùúrù náà mo máa fún ẹ lówó náà.
kò sí problem jẹ́ kí n ṣe.
fàtàkà nọ́mbà ẹ ṣì wà lọ́wọ́ mi àbótí ṣéǹgì bákà kan tẹ̀ ni.
wo same thing náà ṣe ní ṣéǹgì mo ti gbọ́ wá máa lọ mo fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan nulẹ̀.
ṣe ti ń bínú nìyẹn.
mi ìbínú dìde wá máa lọ sẹ́ jẹ́ kí n ṣe.
Guys, what's up? Fine. What's up, your friend? It's happened. What's up? I didn't meet you.
What's happening?
No, no, concern. Where your friend? You are American people.
And what about you?
Where is he?
What happened?
Well, he collected some money. He said
But the guy said, "I know what you want now." I just said,
I never say. As you put it on, that's on your plate. That's on your.
hey, see if you should stop this joke. Don't call and come.
"He's gone."
That's our chance.
This guy won't chat.
It's okay. together. I lost my money. I can't find my money.
You don't carry my phone, man.
My God, hey, come, I've been joking. You should stop this kind of joke. It's so expensive. Oh, guy, I thought he's your friend.
Why you talk like this now? Person who I don't see last for 20 years ago. You won't compare characters now.
Yeah! Chineke namo nika iremu. Hey! Oh, I formed you. Ah! Oh God, how did you
Not this guy.
Ah!
Agbolewa, hey, Agbolewa, oh, oh, Agbolewa, hey, Agbolewa.
Guy, what's in the apple? It's Chris, wait. Chris. Oh,
He called me. Assuming he's still hiding something, he wouldn't have called me now. Hey now.
Yeah, man, she might not be.
Hey, but why don't you say go back?
Okay, tí màá sọ pamọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gbọ́lọ́pàá bọ̀ dísọ ọ̀hún náà.
guy, I swear, if I say Chris tell me say na you will come into my head. If I say tell me say na you will come figure or no, the one where I go carry go pass police. See, the only thing wey you go do now, we go solve this problem. Now make you bring my iPhone 6 come out, make I dey go back my house finish.
Now why you fit dey para for me like this now? Bàbá ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ṣé mo pè é fún ara mi? Ní sùúrù náà. Ní sùúrù náà, má bínú. Kì í ṣe ìjọba bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gbọ́lọ́pàá bọ̀ àbí ọmọ wa. Mi ìṣọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti jẹ́ ntù kan sí ẹ náà.
Bọ̀dẹ́ why don't you ṣe wí bàbá yẹn? Gbogbo arọ́ dùn náà, àwọn pariwo arọ́
Mo má bínú bẹ́ẹ̀ no vex. Brother, no too para for me now.
báwo ló ayé ṣẹlẹ̀?
Cut it short. Ọmọ ọgbà ọmọ epo aago tí mo kú fún tí mo jí owó gbogbo ẹ gbogbo lọ́wọ́ gẹ́yìn tí mo yá ẹ̀. Olú ṣì wà lójú mi, ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ṣì wà lójú mi. Ó ti yẹ kí ilé lọ, ó ti àdé náà dìde. Ó sì àdúgbò lọ ṣe òwú ẹ̀ tó dùn. Èkó mi dídé pé mi gan-an ó fi owó yẹn sáré. Pátápátá wọn nira ò sí lọ́wọ́ mi mọ́. Ó gbẹ́ mi fún ara mi bí ṣe ó ń gba lórí mi. So things like that ẹ mo ti wá padà rántí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ pé láì travel out ẹ lè ṣe oríire wọ́n rántí yẹn tó bá mi sọ́nù ilé ẹ̀ náà so wọ́n ẹ lè mi náà wá tẹ̀lé ọ̀rọ̀ ni mo tẹ̀lé wọ́n bá fún mi kó lè gbà ẹ ṣe nípa mo ṣe ìdásọ́kùn ìdásọ́sí àlọ́ tí o ní club àlọ́ lọ ṣó ọmọ lọ di irun fáwọn yóò mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ tí ilé tí o ṣọ́ọ̀kù ẹ̀ mo ti dín gẹrun lọ ṣòwò ṣe interesting pẹ̀lú mo ti wá gádà ìlú tó change máa ń wẹ̀ ìyá kéèyàn fi mí sùn ìyá tó ṣe èèyàn lórí so that's why tí mo ṣe pè é pé àwọn dókítà kan tí wọ́n ti wọlé sí ọwọ́ mi jẹ́ pé ẹ̀mú
Sky,
balance and hold.
Thank you. Show the way you saw it. My iPhone 6, the only thing just make me and you, just go your way, make I go my way. And now say make you just bring my money, come off my pocket, give me my money, carry. Finish. Finish.
Let's listen to him now. I'm happy to hear that.
This one, never this one. Never this one.
So, secondly, this is 120,000 naira. This is what I'm going to see.
Again, of pariwo.
That one, and then you finish it. Then you forget it.
My money go complete. You shouldn't be on this package now. See, guy, see, hey, don't talk. You see what people fit me and you? You don't give me my money now. You don't complete. Me and you, when we see, come up back, they won't like that. Come back, you know this guy wicked now. The time when this guy, you don't concern you, please. The time when this guy tell you, the time when you tell UK, you do anything for me. For the message, you don't go talk. If I do everything, you and the people who shine feel I don't go meet them. Guy, pack where you come out.
How money so run? This suruna, so give me the help for any.
So, wọ́n tún máa gba ẹ̀ gba owó yẹn.
In fact, it's a long story. As in, ojú mi rí gan, mo jìyà, mo struggle. But at the end of the day, mo tún wá padà sínú memory mi pé nǹkan tó ti bá mi sọ pé kéèyàn struggle, kéèyàn ṣe gan. In fact, tó wá rí bí mo ti ṣe irú sí gan.
Inú mi dùn pé o ti complete your licenses. Now, o ti fọwọ́ ẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ legal. Òun kó wa, òun dín òun jẹun fún yóò tún kọrin. And then make owó. That's what I was trying to tell you. Invest your knowledge, invest your talent, invest your ability, and then make owó ẹ. Now, owó tó náà bá ń rí sí ìwà kó máa dó sọ́wọ́ ọkùnrin máa balẹ̀. Fine, inú mi dùn fún ẹ gan ọ̀gá ẹ̀.
So bá tún lè jẹ́
Ọlọ́bolo ní ọjọ́ báyìí.
Actually kì í ṣe eré àìmọ̀ ìgbénu.
Báwo ni torí wá fẹ́ lọ́sìn báyìí? Ẹ jẹ́ ẹ̀sìn. So nísìnyí báyìí, you just need to be hardworking. Owó tó ti ń rí díẹ̀díẹ̀ yẹn, wàá rí invest ẹ̀. Ayé pé kó máa jẹ́ ọ́.
What do you see?
Your husband.
Wetin do my husband? Wetin do am?
Sórí tí mo wá wí fún ọ ni sórí ọkọ rẹ lady woman fine.
Which one is lady woman fine? I no understand this one wey dey talk. I no understand.
Kó tó gbé oníyàwó ni o, n sì mò ń sọ yìí, torí mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ náà ni o, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ, o sì fine gan. Torí ọmọ ṣe ń láàánú náà ni, tàbí kò yọ bí. Torí tí wọ́n sọ fún mi, kì í sọ pé kì í ṣe wọ́n sọ fún mi o, mo rí báyìí kòrókòró ni. Ọkọ rẹ, àwọn gbé obìnrin, mo rí wọn báyìí, tó sọ fẹ́ báyìí. Ó sọ fẹ́ báyìí. So tí sàmọ́ ṣe rú nǹkan báyìí.
Abeg mama mi o, na lie. My husband wey me I get, he no fit do that kind thing. My only popoyoyo. Na lie. My husband no fit, no be am you see o.
Wọ́n ti wú ẹ sápò bẹ́ẹ̀dì.
You no see am well, no be my husband.
Èyí tí mo wá wí yìí, àìsí kòrókòró, na true, na lie, ìwọ ló mọ̀.
Agbolewa, 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 agbolewa. Àwa kọ́mọ́dé agbolewa, unity diversity in our compound. Better people in our compound, better people in our compound. Oga landlord, now for you, Copper Chris, oh Juju, Oga Sergeant, beautiful people in our compound. Agbolewa, 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 agbolewa.
when I'm living very large. See my style is too hot, man, I saw you can't catch. Big boy combo, one of them no fake, cruising my Ferrari, when I'm look I'm okay. Wow. See the way that I fly, niggas are confused and now they are asking why. Well, I see now charity ticket because I home see. Yeah, in my compound you will never be alone, you will never go down, nah. Our comedy is trailing, I sell for them feeling. See me already brass me, my money shit is chopping. Tradition and culture, sure you won't learn, compound very educative. I bet you want chase when I look at me for better. Child, I'll make big in one, I put a big in one child.
Street pictures